Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're making roasted Brussels sprouts and this was requested by many of you. Today's recipe will make 2.5 cups of Brussels sprouts. For today's recipe, you will need 1 pound of Brussels sprouts, 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. For our tools, you will need a baking pan, aluminum foil, a cutting board, a knife, a spatula, a dish, a strainer, and a Ziploc bag. Heat your oven to 400 degrees. Take your aluminum foil and cut off a piece that's a little longer than your pan, and then you want to take it and wrap it around your pan so that your pan is covered with aluminum foil. Place your Brussels sprouts in a strainer and clean them with fresh water in the sink. Using the knife, trim the end of your Brussels sprout and place it on the cutting board and cut it in half. Remove any torn or brown leaves. Place all of your scraps on a plate, and we will be saving the scraps for our vegetable stock, which we will be making in another lesson. As your cutting board gets full, you want to place the halved Brussels sprouts in a Ziploc bag and continue this process until all of the Brussels sprouts are done. Take your bag of Brussels sprouts and add your olive oil, and then you want to take your bag and take all of the air out of it and zip it at the top. Then you want to shake your bag, covering all of your Brussels sprouts. Pour your Brussels sprouts onto your sheet pan, and then you want to take them and turn them all so that the cut side is facing down. Season your Brussels sprouts with pepper and then your salt. Place your Brussels sprouts into your 400-degree oven and roast them for 10 to 15 minutes, mixing or turning the sprouts occasionally during the cooking process. We removed our Brussels sprouts from the oven. Don't they look yummy? Place your Brussels sprouts into your serving container. Hi everyone, here is our roasted Brussels sprouts.